हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस वीडियो में हम कंपटीशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल, दैट इज फाइंड द डायमेंशंस ऑफ म्यू नॉट एप्सिलॉन 0 रेज टू पावर -1/2। सो दिस इज म्यू नॉट एप्सिलॉन 0 रेज टू पावर -1/2. इट कैन बी रिटन एज 1 upon म्यू नॉट एप्सिलॉन 0 raised to power 1/2 means by under the root, and this is nothing but the speed of light, and it is equal to LT minus 1. So this is the dimensional formula. The second question is dimensional formula of self inductance. We know that this L, it is equal to E is equal to L di upon dt. That is, whenever the current in a coil is changing, an induced EMF is produced, and that is directly proportional to the rate of change of current. This L is the constant of proportionality, and L is equal to, that is E upon, you can write down di upon dt, and this is the volt. Unit of EMF is volt, and volt is equal to W by Q, and this is, you can say, dt and upon di. So the dimensional formula is mL2t minus 2, and this is t, and of course you have Q, this is A into T, and this is A. So this tree goes off. What we have? We have this mL2t minus 2, this is A minus 2. These are the dimensions of coefficient of self inductance. Then we have the third question. The solution of the third question is, that is, P plus P is the pressure, A is constant, V is volume, B is constant, theta is the temperature, and V is the volume. So this solution is based on the principle of homogeneity. That similar quantities can be added. That is, we can add this pressure can be added into pressure. So this term must have the dimensions of pressure. So we can write down, that is A upon V square, it is equal to pressure, and pressure का जो dimensional formula है, that is mL T minus 2, this is L2, and this is equal to mL minus 1 T minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of pressure. So A, this A, it is equal to, ये देखिएगा वॉल्यूम है, volume, this is mL minus 1 T minus 2, and this is volume, this is L3 raised to power 2. So this comes out to be equal to mL 2 3 is 6, this is 5, and this is T minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of this constant. Similarly, we have the last question, fourth question. Let me write it here. This question is very simple. That is, this is the equation, P is equal to P naught E raised to power minus A T square. This is the exponential, and the power of the exponential is always dimensionless. So I can immediately write down, that is A T square, it is dimensionless. Therefore A, this is equal to 1 by T square, and it is equal to 1 by T square, it is equal to M0 L0 T minus 2. These are the dimensions of, this is the solution of the question number 4. So these are very important questions. इनको कीजिएगा, practice कीजिएगा. No cramming, but only understanding. You must know the formulae, and you can derive it very simply. Thank you very much.